Master AUTHY Wallet. In this tutorial, you will learn how to withdraw AUTHY from Marketplace. Step 1. Navigate to Marketplace. Please ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Open any internet browser. The recommended browsers are Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Enter this address, https marketplace.authcoin.io. You'll be redirected to the Marketplace login page. Click on Login to login. Enter your registered email address and password in the Marketplace screen. Check the box for I'm not a robot. Click on Login. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot your password. Authentication is required. Select the authentication method. Click AUTHY to select if you already have Google Authentication app downloaded and configured previously. Click Email Authentication to select it if you prefer email authentication. For email authentication, you will receive 6 digits sent to your registered email. Enter the 6-digit code once you have checked your email. Please do remember to check your spam folder just in case. Please note that the code will expire within 5 minutes. Click on Verify. If you use AUTHY Authentication, please launch your Google AUTHY app to generate an authentication code for Marketplace. Enter the 6-digit code that you will receive in your email or your phone. The code will expire within 30 seconds. Click on Verify. After your login has been authenticated, you'll be redirected to the Marketplace dashboard. On the menu bar, click on Withdrawal on the top of the dashboard. Enter the public wallet address you wish to withdraw to. Here are a couple of important hints. 1. You must have sufficient balance in your Marketplace wallet to perform a withdrawal. Please note that a withdrawal fee will be charged and deducted from your Marketplace wallet. Please ensure that the total amount of withdrawal is including the withdrawal fee. Enter the AUTHY amount you wish to withdraw. Click on Withdraw to continue. Verify your recipient's wallet address. Please note that the AUTHY amount shown does not include the withdrawal fee. Verify your withdrawal AUTHY amount. Click Proceed to continue. To protect your assets, all transactions performed in Marketplace requires authentication. Please select the authentication method. For this example, email authentication is selected. Check your email to obtain the 6-digit code. Enter the 6-digit code received and click Proceed. Confirmation of notification. You'll receive a notification from the system for the withdrawal request. Click Withdraw AUTHY to perform another withdrawal, or click on Back to Dashboard to end your transaction. When you return to the Marketplace dashboard, the system will display a notification on the withdrawal transaction, which reads, "Your withdrawal transaction is now processing. Please reload this page after 1 minute to check the updated status of your transaction. Please note that the request time frame is dependent on the blockchain network traffic, so do be prepared for delays. To reload and check the status update, click the button shown. It is located on the left side of the web address. It is the refresh button. After the page is refreshed and the successful transaction is successful, the system will display an updated message which reads, "You have withdrawn X amount of EDCOIN," with details of the recipient wallet and the transaction hash. Your wallet balance will be updated with a new balance after deducting the withdrawn amount, including the withdrawal fee. To check a successful transaction, go to the Marketplace menu, select Transaction Logs, select the transaction using the date range for your transaction date. The system date range defaults to the last 1 month range. Under the History tab, navigate to the Withdraw tab option. Your withdrawal transaction, including the withdrawal fee, will be available for your viewing. Let's build forward together